If an interviewer asks you to list out the number of factors for the two numbers given, then how to write it in your Java programming language. I will explain you the code, but before that, what is a factor? A factor is, let's say you have a number and you divide that with another number, and if your remainder is 0, then the other number is the factor of the first number. So if the interviewer is asking you to list out the common factors for two different numbers given as an input, then how to do that? Let's get into the code. Okay, here is the method I have written for finding the common factors. This is the main method, you can see. After that, I am reading the input with the scanner class. Since we have said as two inputs, so I am reading into integer type A and int B. I am reading first number and printing it out, and I am reading second number and I am printing it out. Now I have two inputs, A and B. Now I am taking two lists. Why two lists? Because in list 1 I am planning to put all the factors of A, and in list 2 I will put all the factors of B. Now how to find the factors of A? So I am using a for loop, and I am trying to find out all the factors of the first number, which is A. So for that, what I am trying to do, I am initializing a local variable I and declaring it with the 2. So why 2? Because if I start it with 1 will always be a factor, right? So there is no point having 1, because any number can be divided by 1. So our loop should be starting with 2, and it should be until A. So we are starting a loop, and I am trying to divide the A until A, and I am trying to understand whether it is a factor or not. If the remainder is 0, then it is a factor. So then if it is 0, then I am adding it to the list 1 with the if condition. Same way I am doing for another list, where list 2. So list 1 will have all the factors, and list 2 all the factors of A, and list 2 will have all the factors of B. Now I am printing list 1 and list 2. What will list 1 will have factors of the input A, and list 2 will contain factors of B. Now there is a method retain all. Retain all method in list will retain the common values in two lists. So with that method, what we are doing, list 1 retain all list 2 will give us, when we print the list 1, it will only contain common values. For example, if list 1 is having 1, 2, 3 and list 2 is having only 3, when I do this method, I will be having only 3 in the list 1. So let's execute this program and see whether it is giving our intended output or not. I am running. So I will first give let's say 14. First integer is 14. Next value, let me give what I will give 24. Okay. Now you can see factors for 14 are 2 and 7. Factors for 24 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12. So there is only one common factor, which is 2. So number of common factors are 1. So with this code, you can list the common factors of two input values, and also you can say the number of common factors for those two. This program will help you do that. So yeah, if you want me to give some other inputs, we can try again. Okay, let me this time give 18, and I can give some 30. Okay, so here you can see factors for 18 are 2, 3, 6, 9, and for factors for 30 are 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and common in those two lists are 2, 3, 6. So the number of common factors are 3. So with this code you can find out like that. Hope this will help you. Thank you.